In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track leads using Google Tag Manager. Before we click anything, start by deciding exactly what counts as a lead on your website. A lead could be someone landing on a dedicated thank you page after submitting a form, a successful form submission itself, or a click on a high intent button like request a quote or book a demo. Pick the method that best matches your site's experience and is least likely to fire by accident. Now open Google Tag Manager and head to your workspace. We'll begin by creating a trigger. Open triggers and click New. If your site uses a thank you page, choose the page view trigger type. Set it to fire on some page views, then add a condition where page URL contains your unique thank you path, such as thank you. Make sure that path is specific and only used after a successful lead action to avoid false positives. If you prefer tracking form submissions, choose the form submission trigger. You can narrow it to some forms and target a specific form by its form ID or form class. This helps when multiple forms exist on a page. If you don't see these options in the trigger conditions, check that the built-in variables for forms are enabled in GTM's variables panel. Also test whether your form uses AJAX. Some modern forms don't trigger a full page load, so relying on the submission trigger is more reliable than a thank you page in those cases. For button-based leads, choose the All Elements click trigger. Refine it to some clicks and use click text or click ID to target the exact button. Aim for a stable identifier, like a unique ID or very specific text, to prevent the trigger from firing on similar buttons elsewhere. With your trigger ready, go to Tags and click New. If you're sending conversions to Google Ads, select Google Ads Conversion Tracking and enter the conversion ID and conversion label from your Google Ads account under Goals and Conversions. To help ads attribute clicks correctly, ensure you also have a conversion linker tag set to fire on all pages. If you're sending events to Google Analytics 4, choose Google Analytics GA4 event. Enter your measurement ID and give the event a clear name, such as generate lead so it's easy to analyze later. Attach the trigger you created to the appropriate tag. Finally, verify and publish. Use GTM's preview mode to open Tag Assistant, walk through your lead action, and confirm the trigger and tag fire as expected. You can also spot check in GA4 real-time or debug view and review Google Ads conversion status after traffic comes in. When everything looks good, submit and publish your container with a descriptive version name.